Hi.
Me, yeah. Yeah.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
So you leave the key inside? Okay.
Yes. It's
Yeah.
in here, back in here.
In the back? Gotcha.
Yeah, because I'm loading my groceries, and so I just put a little bit aside, which is I never do that, and then after I put on the grocery, and then I automatically
Oh, close it. Oh, okay. It's gonna be 189, okay?
189.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay.
I don't have any choice, right?
Okay.
Can you just like I open it, from. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
You're welcome.
I know it's hard. 189. That's so expensive.
Yes, it is. I know.